Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Realloc in C. So using Realloc function we can resize the memory area which was already allocated using malloc or calloc. It is also declared in stdlib.h, so we have to make sure that we include this header file in the program before we use it. Now the limitation of Realloc is that if we use Realloc before creating memory dynamically using malloc or calloc, then the behavior is undefined. Realloc takes two arguments. First is pointer to the memory block which is to be resized, and next is the new size we need. This new size can be smaller than or larger than the actual size. So consider this C code. So we are declaring a character pointer PTR, and using malloc we are allocating 100 bytes of memory and its base address will be stored in PTR. Now suppose this memory is not sufficient and we want a block of 1000 bytes. So we can write the Realloc function like this: Realloc of PTR, 1000. So it will resize the memory block pointed by PTR into 1000 bytes. So consider another sample code. First, we are declaring an integer pointer PTR and it is created in stack at address 2048. Now we are using malloc function, and recall what was the argument of malloc function. It is the size of memory need to be allocated. So we have 5 into size of int, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 bytes. So 5 blocks of 4 bytes each allocated in heap and base address is stored in PTR. Now suppose we only need 2 blocks. So we can use Realloc function to reduce the size. So we pass PTR and new size which is 2 into size of int. So it is reduced like this and returns the base address to PTR. Now suppose we want 4 more blocks. Then we can use Realloc function to increase the size. So we pass PTR and the new size which is 6 into size of int, and it is resized like this. Now let us see some cases. If the given size is smaller than actual size, it will simply deallocate the memory not needed. If the given size is larger than actual memory, it will check whether it can expand the already available memory. If it is possible, it will simply resize the memory. Otherwise, Realloc will create new block of memory with a new size and copy the old data to the newly allocated block and then deallocate the old memory block. For example, assume we have already allotted memory for 2 integers and now we need memory for 2 more integers. But see here, it is not able to expand the size. So it will find this available space in here and allocate memory for 4 integers and then copy the data, that is 10 and 20, to new block and deallocate the old block. And finally, it returns the base address to the new block. So that's all, and thank you for watching this video.